Hanging up the Blind Views banner. Oh my gosh, he did such a great job. I love it.
Beautiful.
All right, so you're gonna hang them between the vans?
Yeah, we're parked right. Nope.
Almost.
I've got either some rope or some twine type stuff, or we've got
some rope and I've got small bungee.
All right, they've got a plan. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see everybody.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
My bag. The Dan van. All right. So what's the flag for now?
So if you want somebody to welcome, just come on in your campsite, put the flag out. If you're not there or you're, wanting privacy, then take your flag in.
All right.
All right.
Good instructions.
That's the best I got.
I got my shirt.
Yeah.
And some candy, some Tootsie Rolls.
You are set for the weekend now.
I need my noodle, don't I?
Yes. Help yourself to a noodle.
beating you up.
Stay lost, my friends.
Tony.
Stay lost, my friend, because I sure intend to.
Oh, stay lost, my friends.
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 Thank you.
Stay lost, my friends.
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 Thank you.
Stay lost, my friends.
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 Stay lost, my
friends.
Which is it?
Friends.
Friends? Okay.
You should subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
So you can,
And then sign away on this
if you want to.
Everybody's.
I'm just poking everybody.
Really, the only way we can keep track of how many people showed up is to count the names on this.
Yeah, that's true. Hi, Eric.
Hi, Eric.
Well, that's a good idea, so you can sign it.
Yeah.
I can't even get a stroller out of the RV because I can't put the slide out. It's stuck in the back.
Oh no, because of
So I
where
have
you're
to-
parked. Oh no.
Well, because of the slide won't come out enough to move it.
Oh,
How we doing, bud?
Good.
Nice to see you, man.
I'll shake your hand.
All right.
If you want.
yes, please help yourself.
I love it. Eric's going to go for the flower one.
Yeah,
That's perfect.
that'll keep people.
Are we signing the
Thank you
frame?
so
Yep.
much.
Thank you.
Yes, and taking a picture of the food.
Take a pool noodle.
Huh?
Yeah, please do. Yep. There'll be sword fights at 6.
Blind Views.
We'll sign the frame here.
We'll save that. We're not doing any of that kind of stuff.
And Jack. Okay.
Nice.
And then if you'll hold it up with it.
I'd love to.
As you hit him in the head.
I did it, and then that was great. See if I can get that to fix the picture.
And then one more task.
Thanks, guys.
Would you please say, stay lost, my friends?
Stay lost, my friends.
Thank you.